So I'm now going to go into the kutsinira parts. So I'm going to demonstrate two parts. They are the same as I mentioned earlier on. Treatment of certain parts by different Mbira players is one thing I will be putting some emphasis on. So I'll play the first part, then I'll demonstrate the second part. So I'm now going to demonstrate the other part. It's basically the same part, but played differently by different Mbira players. So I am now going to join the two together so you can get an appreciation of how you can transition from one part to the other. So we are now going to demonstrate how those two kutsinira parts go with the basic kushaura.